Alrighty guys, imagine that. I may have to go and borrow a tool. I'm getting ready to replace this oil sending unit. My oil light come on, and yeah, this sensor is erratic reading. That thing is under that alternator, man. Depending on the position of that safety clip, oh my goodness, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to get out. But anyway, I have two freaking oil sending unit sockets. Neither one of them work, so I'm gonna have to go over to my buddies and borrow one. Alright, let's get it. Oh man, I feel bad. I have to go ask the guy. Y'all remember the guy that made the oil mess over here? Hey, you got 30 years experience, man. There's no reason that shit. I ain't never did that. That's some 8th grader type stuff. After my 10th year experience, I stopped doing that. You have 30 years experience. Like, it tells you when it's full, don't it? Look, right here. ASC master mechanic, and you still making rookie mistakes. Shame on you, man. That is terrible. I got to go over here and borrow a tool from here. I hope he don't remember me clowning him for making that oil mess, man. Y'all hold tight. Let's get it. He ain't over here, and I ain't about to go through his stuff. That's one thing we do not do. We respect each other's privacy and their stuff. So I'm going to either wait for him to get back or go find another guy to borrow it from. Man, I feel like a little... Oh, my goodness. My diesel buddy is gone. What do you got going on over here? Oh, this ain't even a diesel. Yeah, it's a Hemi with the e-torque. Oh man, let me go find a socket. Yeah, I know you got one. It won't go deep.
No.
How you know that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Huh?
Try it out. Yeah, I hope.
That's it. No, that's it.
It is. That's a geometry.
Oh, my man, my other buddy came through for me, y'all. I couldn't find Eric. Plus, I think he got a good memory. He wasn't going to forget me clowning him for making that oil mess. So now I can finish this job. Oh, my goodness, what a little tight fit. But I had to pee one. I'll put the code in the description. I can't remember what code it was, but yeah, now technically you're supposed to do an oil pressure test. Okay, you're supposed to verify that the engine putting out the proper pressure. The best place to screw in your oil pressure gauge is in the same port that you took this out of. Now, but who can get it down up in there? So we taking a chance. In other words, I've never replaced the oil pump on a Hemi. But all right, before I go, let me talk to my young mechanics. New mechanics, listen up. All right, now I don't know if you guys are familiar with the 3 borrowed tool rule that some mechanics employ at various shops, but I want you to not have to get to that. Okay, I'm not going to employ the 3 borrowed tool rule. I'm a veteran. I shouldn't be at that point. So I'm talking to you young guys. Now remember, my socket wouldn't work. I had to go borrow one. All right, this one would work. So you know what I'm gonna do? Find out who make this socket and head straight over here. Okay, I'm on Amazon. Now you see all these sockets, $9, $7.99. Make sure you got the right one. Make sure the inner portion of the socket is what's going to work for you. That's what was wrong with my socket. The inner portion wouldn't take the sensor. So I'm gonna find out which one exactly I need, and I'm gonna order it. $8-9. It'll be here tomorrow. Young people, get you some tools. You're gonna need tools in order to be a mechanic in this field, in this industry. All right, I gotta go, man. Don't wait for the 3 borrowed tool rule. Go ahead and get you the tool right now.